In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in CapCut. It's very easy to zoom in CapCut. So this is my clip and I want to a specific part of a video to get zoom out. So for example, I like this part, right? So I will just click on my clipper here and I can move the cursor by holding in my mouse, right? By the left click of your mouse. So for example, I want to get zoom in this part. So here in the video section, whenever you just click on a video clip, you will able to see all the changes you can do in the video section. So this is scale, right? So you can just click and hold by your mouse and you can zoom your video, right? You can also do by just entering the number. For example, I just want to zoom it 200%, I can just do it, right? So this is very easy. But if I want that the video should be normal but get instantly zoom here and zoom out instantly here, so how I can do it while playing a video? So basically to do that you have to use a keyframe. So here beside the scale, this is a keyframe and every feature has a keyframe. So if I just click on it, as I click on it, you will see that there is a dot available here. Let me show you once again, right? It is available here. So here at this part, I just want to get increased at this much. And again, I just want to move it here. And again, it should be 100%. So right, I will just click on keyframe here and I will move it to the 100%. So let me just place this out video. Right, so here if you see that the video got zoomed but nobody noticed, but as you can see here the video got instantly zoomed here. As you can see in the scale that it will change, right? So this is how you can do it. It's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.